Oh, there's huge amount of water everywhere. There's so much water. After even 10 days of the flood, it's still there, and now things will start rotting. People are stranded. The common, little things that you need to survive as human beings have been swept away. Whole villages have been swept away. There's a village where there were 300 people, and out of which 157 have died. So there's a lot of loss. It will take a lot of help to recover from this devastation of this flood. Six, yeah, Global Six. I've been working with this same team for many years, from Kerala to Kashmir to Maharashtra to now Assam, and you find very few genuine ground level working organizations who are very good in managing and taking care of these things. So Global Six is one of them, and I am very honored to be attached with them, and it gives me an opportunity to come and contribute to the help wherever required. This area, does not get the floods like other areas of Assam every year, and I think everybody got caught unaware of this thing coming. It suddenly in 1 hour there was so much water, so the administration and the people living here, everybody got taken by surprise, and nobody was prepared for it. But this has happened. This is a fact. Now it's everybody's responsibility to bring life back to normal here, which will take some time, because as you see, even after 10 days there's so much water, things will start rotting. There can be an outbreak of disease, and the basic life of lakhs of people has been disrupted. So all the help that can be provided here is needed here.
So, sir, you will go to the villages now?
Yes, we'll go to the villages with some basic household and cooking items and stuff in case it's been swept away from them, and so they can take care of their old and their young, and we can provide them with some relief and listen to them. Listening is very important. It's the opportunity I get with Global Six, which I have been able to do here. I don't know why people take Bollywood as some sort of, epitome of the country helping. There is a big country out there, and we should, as citizens, help. And I hope this becomes a national issue and a national problem, so that other parts of the country can come in and help. I think awareness of this, the level of devastation is very important, and I think through your medium this is getting through.
So how many days you will be here?
I'll be here for 2-3 days and see what we can do.